decorative denizen of the den is a Lazy Boy recliner, and it was made right here in Newton, Mississippi. Just a few feet away, actually. Come on, let me show you what's up. Every Lazy Boy recliner is an elegant assembly of wood, foam, a few specialized metal parts, and of course, upholstery. In this case, leather upholstery. This is Kevin Rigdon. He works here at Lazy Boy. Kevin, can you tell us what you do here?
I'm the product manager for the Leather Cutting Center at Lazy Boy.
So Kevin, how specialized is this job that these employees have?
These employees' job is very important. They take the leather hides and they digitize the hides so the parts that go out to our plants are good parts every time to sew into furniture.
So what kind of educational background do you look for in your employees?
Our employees, we at least get a GED or a high school diploma when we hire an employee. And once we hire that employee, then we do in-house training and teach them how to cut the leather, cut a quality piece of leather and be productive also.
Sounds like you really try and train them and keep them here. That sounds like great job security to me.
It's very important, the training that we put into the people that we hire and the time it takes to train an employee how to cut the leather to a quality product. So we try to retain the employees as long as possible.
So could I talk to one of the employees that you've trained?
Certainly, you can talk to Craig Stamper. He's one of our electrical technicians back this way.
Great. Hey, Craig.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing good.
Good. So Craig, how important is your job to Lazy Boy?
It's very important. As we're scanning these hides, if we miss a flaw, then that cuts down on the yield that the company's able to get out of the hide. And if it is a bad part, then the bad part has to be recut, which in return costs the company more money.
So one mistake here could mess up all those different steps
Yes.
down the line. Sounds like a really important job, and I'm certainly glad that you're doing it and I'm not. Well, now that we've seen the ingredients that go into a Lazy Boy recliner, let's take a look at where it all comes together. Every Lazy Boy is put together at a frantic pace that's anything but lazy. Employees here do everything from stuff pre-sewn fabric and leather with foam and batting to assembling wood frames and, by the sound of it, plenty of stapling. After assembly, every Lazy Boy is tested for construction integrity and comfort. Just watching this whole process makes me want to test a Lazy Boy for myself.
Hey, Carrie, how are you doing?
Much better now.
You comfortable now?
Oh, definitely. This is the most comfortable office I've ever seen.
Comfort is what we do.
This is Dawn Mather, Vice President and General Manager of Lazy Boy South. We were just downstairs and we saw these guys coming together, and they come together so quickly.
Yes, they do.
How many do you turn out each day?
Anywhere between 1,000 and 1,100.
Wow. So how many people do you employ here at Lazy Boy in Newton?
In this building, there's 355. And in plant total, with all the different things we have going on here, is about 650.
So what kind of education do you look for in your employees?
Well, on the factory floor, we really would like to have a high school education. In our managerial positions, we would depending upon the position, you look for a college degree, and in some cases a master's degree.
Is there a certain type of skill set that you look for, carpentry or graphic design or anything in particular?
Not necessarily, but we do like to have people with good eye-hand coordination. That is important in what we do and with the speed that we need to produce in order to service our customers and for the employees to make money.
Well, it looks like you've got a great operation here, and thanks so much for meeting with us.
Well, thank you, Carrie. We appreciate you guys coming by and visiting with us.
Thank you.